Hello class 7. In our last computer class, we have learned how to perform the calculations and how to do the simple formula. These two topics were discussed in our last computer class. That was how to perform the calculations in MS Excel and how to perform simple formula and how to print a workbook. All these things were discussed in our last computer class. In today's class, we are going to discuss the last part of the Unit 1 Fundamental of Spreadsheet, that is Introduction of Mathematical Functions used in Database Worksheet. Now, what is mathematical function? See, MS Excel provides a range of predefined functions which can be used to perform various types of calculation. We can do find the sum, we can do the average, we can find the percentage, all these things. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These functions contain arguments that are the values passed to a function to perform the calculations. So arguments we write in the bracket, okay, of the function. Like functions are like sum, like average. The arguments can be data, or it can be sales name, or it can be range of the sales, or the range of cells containing data or other function. So once again, MS Excel provides a range of predefined functions which can be used to perform various types of calculation. These functions contain arguments that are the values passed to a function to perform calculations. The arguments can be data, cells, or range of cells, or the range of cells containing data or other function. Okay, so the built-in formula for specific numeric or non-numeric. The built-in formula for specific numeric or non-numeric processing are called mathematical function. So if question is asked what are mathematical function, then what will be the answer? The built-in formulas for a specific numeric means numbers, non-numeric means not the number, processing are called mathematical functions. Okay, so the first function, now what is syntax of the first function? Each and every formula begins with the equal to sign. Already I have explained it in my last class. So all the functions or formula begins with the equal to sign. Then give the function name, and between the bracket parenthesis, between this bracket parenthesis, write the argument whatever numbers we are writing. For example, the sum is a mathematical function. What is sum? It is a mathematical function, begins with the equal to sign. In the bracket we have written A1 to it is a range. Range means A1 cell number A1 till cell number E1. From the cell number A1 till cell number E1, and in that whatever numbers are there, those numbers and 84 and 69, these constants will be added and stored in the cell. For example, the first function is the sum function. So bracket sign is called the sum. So first mathematical function is the sum function. What is a sum function? This function calculates the total of all the values of the specified cells. It finds the total of all the values of the specified cells and returns the result to the cell where cell pointer is located. What is syntax? Like sum, number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3, number 4, number 5 till wherever you want, or cell A1 plus cell 2 A2 plus cell A3 plus cell A4 till say AN. AN means any name, or equal to sign sum in the bracket A1 comma A2 comma A3 till AN, or we can make the range, that is the sum A1 is to E1. Now let us see in the MS Excel. Open the MS Excel. In the last day we have created a workbook 7. So 7 is here. Open. Now suppose we want to find out the total marks of Abhishek Kumar, and stored in the G cell. To click on the G cell, it is G2, and we want to find out the sum of 95, 88 and 78 and store in G2. So come to the formula bar. First put equal to sign, then write sum, then put the bracket. What is a cell? What is a cell number? The cell number is C2, D2 and E2. Right there, C2 plus D2 plus E2. Close. E2. Then close it, press the enter key. As you press the enter key, see in the G2 cell 261 has come. Same way, the other way, suppose you want to find out the total mass of Rajan Kishore. Click on the G5 and go to formula bar, write equal to sign, write sum, and what is first one? First one is C5. So write C5. We can give the comma D5 comma E5. Close, press the enter key. Now see, sum comes 222. So this way we calculate the sum. Okay. Alright. So this was the sum function. Now our next function is, which is the last topic of this chapter, that is the average. Average function finds out the average. It takes all the values of the specified cells and returns the average of cell values in the active cell. Syntax is average. Syntax is average number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay. And the first, what you have to write? First you have to write number 1. First you have to begin with the equal to sign. In the beginning you have to write the equal to sign. Then write the function name. Mathematical function name is average. So write average in the bracket number 1, comma number 2, comma number 3, how many numbers you want to give. Examples, equal to sign, average like cell A1, value of cell A1, value of cell A2, value of cell A3 till the value of AN. Or we can use the range average equal to average A1 till E1. Or the third one, what you can use, you can write the sum equal to sum A1, A2, A3 till AN and divided by N. What is N? N is the total number of cell. So this will find out the average of the cell. Now let us begin. Open MS Excel. Open the same workbook 7. Open. Now suppose in the G cell we want to find out the average marks of Abhishek Kumar. To go to formula bar, first put equal to sign, then write average, give bracket. Now you want to find out the average. So what is first one? What is cell number of physics marks? C2. Write C2, comma E2, comma C. No, cell are A, B, C, D, E. Now after C, D, and after D, E. E2. Close, press enter key. As you press enter key, see the average marks of Abhishek Kumar is 87. The same way, suppose you want to find out of Chandra Kumari, you want, or Bipul Misra, you want to find the average. The same thing you do. Put the equal to sign, give average function, bracket. After giving the bracket, how many cells are there? Which one? CDE, the C5, comma D5, comma E5. Close, enter. See, average is calculated. So this is a way we can calculate the average by using the average mathematical function. So always remember these functions and these mathematical formulas begin with the equal to sign. Okay, and and whichever active cell is there, see, every function must begin with the equal to sign, and the opening and closing of a function is indicated by a parenthesis. Parenthesis means the small bracket. The commas are used to separate the arguments, and in whichever is the active cell, their only value will be stored. Okay, so in today's class we have learned the sum function and the average function, and we have learned how to make the formulas or functions and use in the MS Excel worksheet. So practice and learn all these steps. Thank you.